Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about how to draw ellipse. So ellipse is same like as circle. It has also center, but it has two radius, one at major axis and one at minor axis. Okay, as you can see here, this is the different radius and here it is the different radius. Okay, but for circle in both axes radius is same. So let's see how to draw ellipse. To draw ellipse, you will go into the draw panel under home tab, and here is the option for ellipse. Okay, just click on this drop down arrow, and here you can see some of the method like center and axis end. Okay, so let's see both of these. First I will just draw the ellipse according to center method, so I will click on this one. Now what I will do, I will just specify point here. As you can see in command line that ellipse specify center of ellipse. Okay, so I can just give any point here. So this is the center. Now remember that ortho mode should be on from here. Okay, if this is blue color then it is okay. If it is white then turn on the ortho mode, or you can press F8 from keyboard. Now pull the mouse button upward and give the minor radius of the ellipse. As total dia is 40, so the radius, what will be the radius? Radius will be 20 definitely. So I will press 20 here and then I will hit enter. Now I have to put the radius along major axis. So what is the length of major axis? That is 80. So 80 unit. Okay, so radius will be 40. So I will put here 40 unit and I will hit enter. Now this is the center method. Let's check the another method. I will go again into the ellipse. Okay, now click on the drop down arrow again. This is the axis end method. It's mean that you have to put the length along major axis and radius along what? Minor axis. Okay, so let's check this method. I will just click on this one. Now what it is asking about, specify axis end point of ellipse. So what does it mean? I will just specify the length along major axis. I will click here. Now I have to put the length along major axis. What is the length? Length is 70. So I will put here 70. Now I will just give the radius along minor axis. So the radius here is, total length is 40 and the radius will be 20. So I will put here 20 and I will hit enter. Now this is the axis end method. Hope you understand both of these methods, and I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.